My name is Seema Kumari, Assistant Professor. I'm an Assistant Professor, Civil Engineering Program, Department of Engineering and Technology, Assam Downtown University. Here in this video, we are going to see what is meant by pressure head. Let us observe the diagram first. So here, there is a container which is open to the atmosphere. At the surface, pressure is atmospheric and the fluid is a static fluid which is at rest. And the height of the container where the fluid is present is denoted by a height h. So basically, pressure head in fluid mechanics is the pressure exerted by a liquid column on the basis of the container. It is represented as the height of the liquid column. As per hydrostatic law, the intensity of pressure exerted by a liquid at rest is directly proportional to the density of the liquid. So here, pressure of this fluid is directly proportional to the weight density of this fluid. Now, weight density will indicate how much heavy or light the given fluid is, and that much will be the amount of intensity of pressure. That it means if the fluid is light, then intensity of pressure exerted will be less, and if the fluid is heavy, then intensity of pressure exerted would be greater. I can take the example that if the static fluid is oil and in another case static fluid is mercury. So when we compare oil and mercury, oil is lighter than mercury. This means weight density of oil is less, so the intensity of pressure exerted by oil would be less. And if we are taking mercury inside this container, then the weight density of mercury is greater. So the pressure or intensity of pressure exerted by mercury would be greater. So that is basically hydrostatic law, which indicates pressure is directly proportional to the weight density of the fluid. Now, when I remove this proportionally sign, I am introducing a constant, this, which is constant of proportionality or pressure head. This is the formula of pressure head, H, where pressure head is equal to pressure of the fluid upon by weight density of the fluid. Also we can see that H and P are directly proportional. The amount of pressure exerted by liquid at rest depends on two things. As we see here, pressure is directly proportional to weight density of the fluid, and pressure exerted by the fluid at the bottom of the tank is depend on the height of the liquid. So if the height is less, intensity of pressure at the bottom of the tank will be less, and if the height is greater, suppose we are taking the whole height, then the intensity of pressure at bottom will be more. So finally from the formula, weight density can also be written as rho into g, where rho is mass density of the fluid and g is acceleration due to gravity. As the pressure head is in terms of height, the unit of pressure head would be meter. So basically physical significance of this pressure head is that, suppose if we are swimming on the surface, at that time this pressure exerted on us would be just the atmospheric pressure exerted by air. And the moment we go down deep inside this water, the amount of pressure exerted by the water on us will go on increasing, because the height of water column above us is greater. So that is why inside the ocean, when we go deep down, then we can experience huge amount of pressure. We can also take an example of submarines. Submarines are designed based on this pressure head theory. So that was regarding pressure head. Thank you.